basically a pediatric dentist. I'm from Dindigul. I came here for the 2 weeks Embryogenesis course. First of all, I thank CFC and Dr. Thomas sir for making this opportunity. Actually, I came here with zero knowledge about embryology and IVF. In these 2 weeks, I learned about the andrology part and the embryology part. In andrology, Dr. Krishna sir and Abhinaya madam, they have taught me about how to take the semen sample, how to prepare the semen sample, and what are the techniques to prepare the sample, as well as how to prepare the oocyte and disc preparation. And here they have both the ICSI machines, the RI and RC machine. In both we had a good hands-on. In these last 2 weeks, we are free to work on all the machines, all the microscopes. They are given free hands. The best part is everything has been taught what is there as per WHO norms. That was the latest edition, as per 6th edition. Nothing were taught outside the book. So here, after this 2 weeks period of time, I have learned the basic idea of what is IVF and what is the ICSI procedure, and ultimately how to set up an IVF lab. What are the things are expected from an IVF lab, how it should be maintained, and how it should be qualitatively as well as quantitatively. So even I have done so many mistakes, small mistakes I have done, but without hesitating and think what all the mistakes we have done, they have taught us what all these are the things. Then and then they corrected all our mistakes. Repeatedly in this first few days repeatedly we are making the mistakes. After that, in this first 1 week it was going like that. In the second week period of time, I corrected my mistakes. I was able to do in a much better way. So this surely will help me to develop my knowledge and to, in my future, to come as a good embryologist. So I highly recommend this CFC center, the Chennai Fertility Center in Chennai. And I thank Dr. Krishna sir, who has been there throughout the course, who helped me to come out of all my struggles and my hesitations. And he taught me what are the procedures, what are the shortcomings may come out of that, as well as the textbooks, what are the textbooks will help me to improve my knowledge. And at the same time, I thank all my co-trainees, Dr. Saroja, Priscilla, Bini, who have been there for last 2 weeks. And small things, because they know much better than me. I learned many things from them also. I highly recommend CFC for the beginners as well as those who want to update their knowledge on embryology as well as in andrology and to take their IVF setup to a highest level.